In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show section breaks in Google Docs. Whether you're editing a long report, a manuscript, or any document that requires clear organizational sections, being able to identify and modify section breaks can be really helpful. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to open a new tab in your web browser and search for Google Docs. Once you're there, if you aren't already logged in, you'll need to do so. Use your regular Google account credentials, and you'll be taken straight to the Google Docs homepage where all your documents are stored. Now, find and open the existing document you're working on. This is where we'll be showing you how to reveal and manage section breaks. With your document opened, direct your attention to the top menu. Click on the View option listed among the other menu items up there. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, select Show Non-Printing Characters. This is a useful feature that many users aren't aware of. Once you enable this, you'll notice something cool happens. Google Docs will display blue, dashed lines across your document, marking every spot where a section break has been inserted. These lines will include the words section break, making them easy to spot and differentiate from other content. Now, let's explore how you can insert a new section break if you need one. Move your cursor to the precise position within the document where you'd like the new section to start. With your cursor in place, head back up to the top menu and click on Insert. Navigate down and hover over Break. Here, you'll see a choice between two types of breaks. The first option is Next Page. Selecting this will push the start of your new section onto the next page, which can be particularly useful for chapter beginnings or new topics that should always start fresh on a new page. The other option is Continuous. Opting for this one will start the new section right where you place the break on the same page. This helps when you want to divide sections without the need for a new page, perhaps for formatting different columns or subsections. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view and manage section breaks in Google Docs. Remember to use these tools to keep your documents organized, ensuring that different sections are clear and distinguishable for optimal readability. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to master your Google Workspace skills.